Okay, good morning, boys and girls. Yesterday we had Facebook Live, and a lot of people were not there or couldn't attend. Just want to remind you that every week I'm going to be live on not using Facebook this time, but using Teams for the following week. So I just want you to keep this in mind. This is what we did this week. So we talked about the situation this semester. So if you want to have more info, you just go back on Facebook Live, the one that I posted, and you watch it again. The beginning of the clip is about what the situation is, okay, regarding the calendar and the evaluations. I also talked about Teams, so I want everybody to join Teams for next week. And right now, what I'm going to do in this little clip is I'm going to talk about the homework. Okay. So the first part of the homework is join Teams. So you have to do this. I sent you a link with you just have to click. You have to log on Teams, send a link, and then next week that's what we're going to be using. The second part of the homework that I want you to do is here. I want you to correct your mistakes on written production number 1 that you did. Okay. It's written use the not to, sorry about that. Use the PDF correction symbols to understand your mistakes. What is this document? This document is on Leia. Okay. That's the one. Correction symbols. Okay. Correction symbols is the one. Every time you make a mistake, I underline the mistake. Okay, I underline the mistake and I write a symbol over it. So if, for example, many of you did that type of mistake here, SVA stands for subject verb agreement. So in this case here, Mary worked at a bank. There's a problem with the verb here because it's Mary, it's she. You have to put the S at the end. That's the rule of the simple present. He, she, it. The verb requires S. So what you have to do, you have to correct your mistakes. Okay. So let's say that this is a template. So you'll have to use this template. Okay. The template mistake correction. Template mistake correction here at the top. This is also on Leia right now. So let's say that this is the sentence that you have. He liked to play outside. There's subject verb agreement here. So what you do is this, using the computer, you write symbol SVA, the mistake, he like, the correction, say he likes, you put the S, what not to do to repeat the mistake. Well, this is very personal. What is it that you have to do if you don't want to repeat the mistake, in this case regarding the subject verb agreement mistake? Well, you could say something like this: look at the pronoun if it with sorry about that, with he, she, it, the verb requires S at simple present. And then you can even do this here. Sorry about that. You put it at the end like this. So you do this for all the mistakes that you have. The reason why we're doing this is because we don't want you to repeat the same mistake. Then this, once you've done this here, this is what you do. Write your answer on a Word document, upload it on Leia Travaux. I've already created the Leia Travaux file where you can upload your homework. All right. So this is one of the homework. I'm going to talk about this in the next video. Bye bye.